Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this 8097 piston bully from Siku Super. You can see it's in a 187 scale. Unfortunately, no snow outside. You can see just wind and rain. Big storm here. You see the price, €60, €16.99. I probably can get it for cheaper, a lot cheaper. But I got this from a local toy store and I think it's very important to support the local toy store. Okay, let's look at the package. Here they have a nice diorama photo. I like it when CQ does that. And here you see what's possible with the piston bully. You see some information. I think that's about the real one. Yeah, definitely a real one. Here we got the side, and here we got the bottom of the package. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Okay, now let's open it up. CQ is a fantastic brand. If you look at the quality and the strength, it is made for kids to play with it, but it's also made for collectors because it has a very good look, very realistic. Okay, we can see that this can move in all directions. By the way, this is made out of plastic, but here it is made of diecast. This is made of diecast. This is also made of diecast. And this here in the back, it is made of plastic, and we can move it a little bit in this direction, a little bit in that direction, a little bit downwards and up. And can we move it on the...
Je moet kleiner zijn.
Yeah, my son is watching YouTube. So a little bit of Diecast Little Dude ASMR. Okay, we can see we can roll the tracks, but apparently it's very difficult. Oh no, there it goes. Well, I can tell you that's not easy, but it is working. Moving tracks. The base is made out of plastic, I see. But overall, a very nice casting. And I hope some snow will fall later this year. Or maybe in the start of the new year, who knows. And then I can make a nice picture with this vehicle in the snow. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a very nice day. See you soon. Bye.